We're not gonna do that.
We're not gonna do that. Really? I'm going to prison. Do you think I'd give a about breaking a window?
What's your last name?
You know who I am.
No.
Don't act stupid.
I talked to a ton
I'm
of people.
famous. Give me my phone so I can call my mother. If I go to prison, I'm gonna crack you.
On August 2nd, 2023, police officers noticed a vehicle swerving down the road, leading them to initiate a traffic stop. The driver of this car, 31-year-old Lorena Montes, was driving without a license. Moreover, it was also suspected that she may have consumed some alcoholic beverages.
Hi.
Hi, officer.
How you doing?
Good.
Deputy in Lake County Sheriff's. You got a license on you?
Oh, I know who you are.
How do you know who I am?
Sheriff's office. Hold on.
How do you know me from the sheriff's office?
Streeter.
How do you know Streeter?
We dated.
Oh, why are you getting out of the car?
Oh, because my boyfriend's on the back of the side.
Okay, have a seat. I never told you to get out of the car for any reason.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Do you have your license with you?
I don't. I have my ID.
Okay. Can I see an ID, please?
You want my passport?
Sure. You carry a passport with you, not an ID?
No, sir.
Okay.
And you want me to be honest, or you want me to bullshit?
No, be honest. Though.
I don't have a driver's license.
Why not?
Well, that's up to you to discuss with the sheriffs.
Okay.
They're playing pranks on me.
They're playing pranks on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, my boyfriend's right back here, and this is not my car.
Whose car is this?
My boyfriend's.
It's his car in his name?
Yeah. Can I call him?
Hold on 1 second, Miss Montez. What's your boyfriend's last name?
Motherfucker! I'm out here with the cops.
What's your boyfriend's last name?
Dude, he just lied?
Who?
Lorena tells the cops this is her boyfriend's car and tries to call him. However, as soon as she mentions she's with the cops, he abruptly ends the call and won't answer any of her calls anymore. The officers have already verified that the car is registered to a white female. So whose car is this?
How did you get this car?
My boyfriend in the back?
13 signs en route to cover.
What?
How did you get this car?
My boyfriend told me to go get some cigarettes down the street, and I did that. I'm being honest with you.
What kind of cigarettes?
Newports.
Where are they? So you went to go get cigarettes down the street and he told you to go get them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I'm confused on why
How did your boyfriend get the car?
he told me this was his car, and he said go get cigarettes, so I did.
Okay.
And his room's back there.
Okay. What are you revoked for?
Honestly,
Well, yeah, don't lie to me.
DUI.
A DUI.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Are you intoxicated right now?
No.
Okay.
Please don't intoxicate me, or
I can't intoxicate you. Like,
no, I'm saying, like, please don't fucking, like, you know.
test you?
Yeah. Please don't do it.
If you're not intoxicated, then why would there be a problem testing you?
Because I have a lot of problems going on. If you were a county sheriff and saw my name, you would know.
10-2. Okay. Well, I do smell alcohol. So how much alcohol did you drink?
Well, earlier I drank a couple beers.
Yeah. What time earlier?
I can't remember, but I'm not gonna blow.
Okay, that's fine. Do you want to do any tests?
Can you just cut me some slack?
No.
Well, I'm not doing any tests, so if you need to take me to county, take me to county.
Alright, make sure I can move your stuff. You can just give it to me. You don't need to reach around because that's how bad things happen, okay?
I'm not doing anything, dude.
Just hand me your stuff like I asked, please.
I don't trust you.
I don't trust you grabbing a purse. So just leave everything where it is.
You can't be. Can I call the guy and tell him to get his car?
Leave everything where it is, okay? And I'll step out of the car. You don't need to grab anything. Leave everything where it is.
No, I'm not going to do that. Because
Why?
you just violated my rights.
I violated your rights by
Yeah.
telling you to give me your stuff and stuff out of the vehicle.
Oh, I thought you said to shut the fuck up.
No, I didn't say that at all.
Alright, well, here you go.
Once again, I don't need you to grab anything. You should just listen to what I'm telling you.
I thought you just said grab my shit.
What was in your hands? That's all I was
Oh my
asking.
god! I cannot with you people!
Okay, just leave everything there. Let's follow the simple instructions.
Alright, call dude ass and tell him to come get his car. Seriously.
We will figure out who you're talking about in a second, okay?
In a second?
Yeah.
Oh, motherfucker. Hey, where's Streeter at?
What's that?
Streeter, Officer Streeter.
I'm not sure. Can't tell you.
Alright,
Was it Montez was your last name?
you know who I am.
No,
Don't act stupid.
I talked to a ton
I'm
of people.
famous.
You're famous for what?
Everything.
Okay. Well, let's take this bag off. Miss Montez,
Excuse me.
Take-
Excuse me.
take your bag off. Alright. We're gonna put this down here. We're gonna
What the fuck is wrong with
let
you?
Go
Can
of
I
it. Let go of this. and
can
put
I
it on
just
top of
smoke
the
a
car.
cigarette?
No, you can't.
Why?
Because you're under arrest.
For what?
You're driving while revoked and suspicious.
No,
of
you're
illegal
not gonna do that.
We're not gonna
You're
do
not
this.
gonna do that.
Stop. We're not gonna do this.
You're not gonna do that to me.
Put your hand behind your back.
You're not gonna do that to me.
Stop. Do not
Stop
kick
kicking.
me.
Do not
kick me.
do
Stop
anything.
You
That's
hurt me.
unnecessary.
Stop kicking.
God.
I said stop kicking.
Ah!
13, one in custody. I have Zion with me.
10-1 in custody.
All right. Whenever you're done yelling. Whenever you're done yelling.
Go get that motherfucker the car back.
The car's gonna go back to the owner. That's for sure. All right. You calm down now. You okay?
No, I'm not okay.
All right.
Stop.
Relax.
Stop. If you
Relax.
kick us, you're gonna get an extra charge.
Yeah, that's the.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and it goes.
Well, I'm going to prison anyway, so what do I give a
Nobody
You're gonna
said
stop, okay?
you're going to prison.
Get away
Relax.
from me! Get away!
I said stop.
Get away! Stop kneeing on my knees!
Well, you're not listening.
Let me make sure she can't get her hand through here.
Get away from me!
You're on your own now? Yeah. Couple weeks.
Initially, it seems that Lorena might be willing to cooperate, but as soon as she exits the vehicle, she turns into a whining child.
All right, hold on.
Stop kicking.
Get away from me! Get away!
Okay, we're gonna stand up now. Are you ready to stand up?
No!
Well, you have to. All right. So hold on. Roll to your side. Roll to your side. Tuck your knees in.
Absolutely. I'll call back over that message.
Well, unfortunately, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Come on, stand up on your own now.
Make sure you give
What's done is done, okay? Don't make it worse for you. What's done is done.
They don't start a brand new report. They can do a sub to this one.
Go ahead and stand up, okay?
10-4, sir.
No,
You have to.
I can't.
But then we all have to pick you up and drag you into a car. I mean, that's a little unnecessary.
Well, that's your job, isn't it?
You really want us to all lift you and drag you and
Well,
all
you're
this
not
drama?
letting me call the owner of the car.
You don't even know who the owner of the car was.
Yes, I do.
Who?
The guy that lives back there.
The owner of the car is a white girl. So
What?
yeah,
What are you talking about?
what I just said.
I don't believe you.
Okay.
A black man, right?
No.
Oh my fucking god!
All right, let's go. Come on. This is silly.
No,
Stand up.
ow!
Stand up.
Ow! Don't grab me like
Well, then
that!
stand up on your own.
Don't grab me!
Okay.
Ow! Give me my purse!
You'll get your purse. You'll get your phone,
No, give me my purse!
cigarettes, and all. Okay.
No, you won't! I
Oh,
know
just
you
check
won't
the
do
pocket.
it! I know you won't do it!
Do what?
Give me my purse!
You
Hey, I know you! You
don't know me.
asshole.
I don't know you.
You're from county!
County.
No.
Yeah, you gave me a bread biscuit!
A bread biscuit? Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, so let me go.
Was it good?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Alright, let me go. No, I mean, let me go. Like, I'm not gonna leave
tonight
nowhere.
you're-
Oh my God, I'm not. Jesus Christ, I'm not going nowhere. Wait, I want my purse.
We'll get your purse for you.
It's not.
Step up.
We're the people that protect property, not steal property. You'll get your stuff.
Wait a minute, God damn it.
Are you gonna step up or not?
I am. Can you stop?
Here, how about you step up? I'll get you another bread biscuit.
As soon as the car door closes, Lorena throws a temper tantrum and starts kicking the windows.
Stop.
Hey,
Stop!
no,
Listen.
I want my shit right now.
Listen. If you break,
Really? I'm going to prison. Do you think I give a about breaking a window?
get back in the car.
Give me my purse.
I'll get your purse. Calm down.
Give me my shit.
Calm down.
You know what? I'm gonna break all these windows. You know why? Because you guys been playing games with me since I've been in jail.
If you kick the window again, we're gonna tie your legs up. It's completely
Do
unnecessary.
it. You know why?
It's completely.
You know why?
Completely unnecessary.
You know why? Because you guys been fucking with me since I've been in jail.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you act like an adult now or no?
Oh, that's all you gotta say.
Yes.
But you've been reliving my memories since 2008 in prison. In jail, I mean.
Okay. Can you act like an adult now and just sit
No,
down? And
I'm not going to.
Do you really want us to tie you up and tie your legs up and do all this nonsense?
If you want to, you can.
I don't want to, which is why I'm asking you to be an adult and just sit there.
Give me my phone so I can call my mother.
You're not calling your mother until you get to the jail. When you get
No,
to the jail, then you can
that's
call
not gonna
your
happen.
mother.
I'm gonna crack your window open. How about that?
Okay, then we're just gonna tie up your legs.
Okay, well,
Okay. We'll see about that.
You're trying to assault my partner here.
I'm not. I love him.
All right.
He's cute.
Okay.
Why would I try to assault him?
Okay. Can you please just sit properly now so we don't do this to you?
Do what?
Tie up your legs and put you
Are
in
you
a...
fucking serious?
Yes. Just sit properly.
Can I
Okay.
smoke a cigarette and call my mother and tell her where I'm going?
When we get to the jail,
No.
we can't do any of that here right now.
Yes, you can.
Okay? We can't do
You
any
are
of
in
that.
authority to do that.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
No,
are.
I'm not. You're in handcuffs. They're not coming out.
Streeter is my fucking cousin
Okay.
in law.
I thought she mentioned dating him before. Now they are related?
Okay.
So please, just call my mother and tell her I'm going to jail.
I will do that. Can you sit in the car properly? You could give me the phone number and I'll call. Can you just act like an adult, please, and
You
sit in the
won't
car
do
properly?
that. You won't do that.
I will do that. I promise you. You give me the phone number, I'll call her, and I'll let her know you're going to jail. I have no problem with that. Can you just act like an adult now and just sit down?
Can I smoke a cigarette before
I
go to
can't
jail?
allow that right now. No, I need you to sit down.
So I'm not going to smoke a cigarette till I get out of jail.
That's not true. I just said you could probably smoke when we get down there. Okay?
Probably, or you...
I will ask them when we get there.
No.
I don't have control over them.
Can I smoke one now then?
No. Can you please sit like an adult? Please. Thank you. As soon as we get down there, as soon as you can get out. This came out as a stolen vehicle. It's not really stolen. It's more like taken out without consent. Her boyfriend is with another girl whose car that is. He's revoked, so the car he can't even drive anyway. So I'm going to call the register in order to come pick it up.
She revoked?
She's revoked on DUI.
Yo, what's up?
I need a fucking cigarette or I'm going to bug the fuck up.
Sit down.
No. I want my shit.
You're not getting a cigarette.
Well, then give me my shit back.
Okay. Sit down for 5 minutes and I'll get it.
I don't believe you.
Okay, that's fine. Don't believe me, but you'll find out in 5 minutes. Sit down.
I'm going to if I go to prison, I'm going to crack this bitch open. Come on. Come on.
For now, sir.
I'm going to crack it open.
Alright, I'm done with her.
You know who's back there selling bricks?
Time for.
Well, I do. Are you going to let me know if I tell you? Well, let me go then, and I'll point you to the room.
As soon as Lorena realizes she really is going to jail, she tries to divert the attention off of her by snitching on other people.
Get off of me! You're too tight! Get the f off me, you asshole!
You did this to yourself.
Get off of me!
Let me see if you got zip ties.
Get off!
I got some zip ties in my back.
Yeah, grab some from
You
me,
wanna?
please.
I got zip ties too in my back.
Get off of me!
We asked you to act like an adult.
No.
You chose not to.
Okay? Get off.
You're not gonna kick out our windows.
I said I'm gonna kick him out. And you're not gonna do shit about it. That's funny, because you don't arrest the guys that are throwing bricks back there.
You got them? Grabbing them?
They're bringing them right.
Alright, cool.
So you're arresting me and arrest the guys that are throwing bricks back there. That's funny. Give me my purse.
Go get your purse.
This should be good.
Where's my purse?
50-7.
Where's my purse?
Eventually, Lorena faced charges for aggravated driving under the influence, driving with a revoked or suspended license, and resisting or obstructing a peace officer, firefighter, or correctional institution employee. Since this wasn't the first time she was caught driving under the influence, her bond was set at $250,000.